And here we go with Stateroom Tour 1886, Deck 12, Freedom of the Seas. This is a spacious ocean view balcony. It's up in the front of the ship. It's a connecting balcony, but it's the last one they had, last balcony they had. So I had no choice. I normally don't take the connecting balconies, but yeah, they're not a problem. Anyway, this used to be part of the spa before the ship was amplified. So these are actually newer staterooms than the rest of the ship. So to the left, look at that, nice shelves, plus your closet. Nice bonus right there. You got more shelves. You got more shelves. Your mini fridge. Nice big drawers. There's your TV. Big couch. Lots of space here. You can put your luggage right there. And there's the connecting door, but we'll show you that in a second. The bathroom. It's the standard bathroom. Not bad. It's got the tubes. Got a lot of good storage areas here. It's better than those mirrors that they have, the little mirrors in the corners. Okay, you notice the carpeting is newer, newish. There's the connecting room. Here's the balcony. We're out at the front of the ship, Deck 12. This has the climate control where you have to have a card in the slot at the front of the room for the electricity to be turned on. So I try to save electricity, and here we are, just a standard balcony all the way at the front of the ship. And we are at the port of Miami, probably the most beautiful port to sail out of, I think. It's really beautiful. Got Star Island over there. There's Miami. There's the NCL terminal. So there is your spacious ocean view balcony, 1886 on Freedom of the Seas. Okay, I'm gonna give you the secret rooms on Royal Caribbean Freedom of the Seas. They're on Deck 12 forward. And these are the renovated rooms that used to be the spa massage areas, massage rooms. Why are these cabins different, and why are they better, and why do not people... Oh, fuck. That'll be a blooper. Okay, we're gonna give you a 60-second tour. Why are the rooms on Deck 12 forward? No, that's not good either. You need to choose these Deck 12 balconies on Freedom of the Seas, and also on the other ships where they are the new ships. The new, oh God.